Okay, slow up, baby. So weird, it's hard to see the fence with these nanos here. Or the shadows, I guess I should say. And that was some good footage too. So here's the basketball court. I think it was 2 here. But you see it's covered all in pine needles. Okay, some pretty colors here. Man, that first footage, well, 2 things with that. Should have checked. Second one is I should have been changed out this camera on here to a Nebula Pro, because I actually have one. But my first incident of trying to change the camera did not go so well. Okay, let's go up a little bit here. There's some that's decent right here. It's pretty over here though. I know the last video I did over here, I was crying about all the trees gone. It was a lot of trees, man. They took out, I don't know, 2 or 3 of those, like, I guess trailer, flatbed, semi-tractor trailer, I don't know what those things are, but they just had trees upon the trees on there, man. Like, oh my God. Okay. They really because before those people's backyard was covered with foliage. Now they're exposed. I know they're like a little miffed about that. Okay, well, I basically got what I came for out here. So I had a crash with this that took off 3 propellers. I was trying to fly in the woods. Mostly I was trying to avoid close trees with like a meter apart. I actually said meter, 3 feet apart. So I was trying to, I thought I was good enough to fly through those, but I did not take into account of ghost branches. Ghost vines too. They took me out, man. I don't think I tried to flip it over. One time I did try to flip it over and found out, yeah, they don't like that. Okay, I'm good now. Come on, go. Oh, you're laying in the grass, Look at me looking down. Much as I try to hold my head up, I guess I'm gonna have to build like a little styrofoam thing to stick under my neck. Okay, so the camera's on now. So I got the shot. I'm good. I'm good. And I did it with a 850 battery. So so that's done. Cut off the camera.